Hello everyone, in this video we will see the pre-run script feature of KushoAI. So you can use a pre-run script feature for doing any setup like operation before running your test suites. So for example, like if you want to fetch dynamic auth tokens from your auth server, which will be used in subsequent tests, you can do that. And let's see how you can use it. So first we will go to a test suite page and we will select a API. So let's say I select this banking API that I have, and there will be an option of pre-run script right here at the right. So I will click on it, and basically pre-run script takes plain JavaScript, and we have a documentation here, so you can see what kind of functions and syntax that we have. So so for example, like we have set variables, so like this is used to set your variables. We have debug to for just login, so you can see actual response of your API. And we also have set variables. So set variables are used to, well, basically save values from one test into variables. And we also have make request as well. So that is used to basically uh, to send HTTP request. So you can pass like HTTP methods like get, post, URL of the API, any headers that you have, response body data, etc. And you can check this document right here to check the syntax and the functions that we have. We also have our documentation, so I will link that in the description or in the comments of this video, so that you can check what kind of functionalities and what kind of functions that we provide. So after, I will just paste some code that I have. So basically what it does, it makes a request of post. With post method, I have provided the URL of the API. I am passing some data to it, and I am debugging the response to check what kind of response it gives. I'm setting the variable, and if there is nothing, so it will just give me no response what it returned. So I will click on save script, and after it is saved, I will click on run. And yeah, there you go. So this is the output that I was expecting. So it gave me the debug response and the variables. So if I click on an API now, so first the pre-run script, the data or the code that I have provided, KushoAI, that will run. So like we saw in the pre-run script, that the code that I pasted, and then the API which I ran will run. So for example, if I have auth token, so first it will fetch the auth token, and then it will run the API using that. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.